Hi, this is a short tutorial video to show you how to actually add videos straight from YouTube into your Sway. You may have already seen a video to explain how to insert a title slide and images and add text, but now we're going to show a different type of media. When you add a new card, you have an option right here to choose a media and specifically video. As soon as you do that, over here on the right of the screen, it'll pop up with different suggestions of videos that you may be interested in. If it doesn't already say YouTube in this menu, you can click on here and change it yourself. Sway has a great way of pulling information straight off of your presentation, so it has already typed in Sugar Glider for me, because that is what my Sway is all about. Now your Sway may be about a different topic, and you simply just need to type in that information or that topic here, and then look for your videos. There are many different options that we can see that have shown up in our search results. I'm going to look for some of them. I'm going to choose this one right here because I think it looks cute, and it even says cute sugar glider in slow motion. Click on it, and over here you'll see the green add button appeared. Click on the add button, and the video has automatically been added to my Sway. I'm going ahead and going to give this a caption. And we're done. Now, in order to actually view the video though, I'm going to have to come up here and actually play my Sway. So I'm going to click on play and scroll down the screen, and there's my video. When I click on this button, it'll now start to show the actual video. So this video, luckily, is actually by the BBC Earth, so that's pretty awesome. I know that's a pretty reliable source. And it's only about 5 minutes long, which that's good too. Now, if you're doing this for a school project, presentation, either way, you do want to make sure you watch the video in its entirety to make sure that it's appropriate and that it actually meets the standards you have for your project or the exact information you need. But we do not have time to watch a 5-minute video in this presentation, and that's okay. If you don't like the video after you watch the end of it and you're like, ooh, this isn't exactly what I'm looking for, you have to go back up to this edit button, and then you just simply delete the entire card. Don't worry, you can add the card back again, go to media, and then find that video once again that you wanted, or find a different one that will work better with your presentation. Now, when you're completely done with your presentation, when you've gone to your design and you've picked out what colors you want and changed your orientation or whatever you'd like for your presentation, and you're ready to turn it in, remember that over here we're going to click on the share button. We have these different options. Don't worry about changing anything. It's totally fine the way it is. This link that you have right here, you're going to copy it. See how it says copied? Then I'm going to go back to my app launcher and go to my email. That's what your Outlook is. Create a new message. Type in my teachers' names. If there's more than one for this project, if you're in social studies right now in 7 Gold, you know that you need to turn this into your teacher. Make sure to give a subject to your email, and I'm going to paste that URL right here. And I can simply do that by right-clicking and choosing paste, or you can also do your Control-V shortcut on your computer. And there is your presentation, the link for it. I just have to hit the send button, and then my teachers will have access to my Sway, be able to grade it. If you have any questions or need any help, please don't hesitate to come find me in the library, and I'll be happy to help you. Good luck!